Hello to all of our Year 11 parents and students. I'm Miss Ferris. I'm the new head teacher mathematics at Arthur Phillip High School. Today I'll be giving you an update about the Year 11 standard course, and that is the common course that all of our Year 11 students sit, and to let you know what they have been up to in Term 1, Term 2 of 2020. We have 4 classes in Year 11 Standard, and that's 3A, 3B, 3C, and 3D, with Miss Cisco, Mr. Narayan, Mr. Paul, and Miss Kaur, with Mr. Paul being the coordinator for the course. This is the scope and sequence for Term 1 and Term 2 as planned at the beginning of the year, and in spite of all the interruptions that we've had throughout Term 2, most teachers were able to follow the original plan. So this is the content that the students have covered. Formula and equations, which is mainly the basic algebra that all of Year 11 standards have to go through. Second topic was all about earning and managing money. The third was about measurements and energy. The first assessment was pretty much based on those 3 topics, and then this was followed by the relative frequency and probability, as well as budgeting and household expenses. The Year 11 standard teachers tried really hard to engage students while learning from home by using different platforms such as Hapara, Google Classroom, and keeping on top of all the emails and all the correspondence with students and their parents. At the moment, they are going through the next topic, which is declassifying and representing data. The first report is based on the first 2 tasks that the Year 11 standard have completed, and the first one was a class test. The second one was a project in form of an investigation. The first task was a written test. It was a 60-minute test that most students managed to sit. It was as per the NESA approved methods and using their approved calculators. It was based on the formula and equation, as well as earning and managing money and the practicalities of measurement. It was worth 30% of the Year 11 mark, and it was done on Tuesday, the 24th of March. As per the new requirement of NESA, we have to have an investigation type assessment, and that was task 2. And it was in form of a 3-part investigation. The first part involving finding a potential job and calculating tax for this job. Part B was involving purchasing a car and calculating all the costs associated with that. Part C was dealing with creating a personal budget and deciding if they can afford to live in with their chosen lifestyle. It's a practical investigation, and it was due in week 6B, and it was worth 25% of their total mark. Finally, a big thank you to all of Year 11 parents and students for their patience and their great effort in trying completing the work while being at home. And a big thank you from all your teachers on the great job that they've done, and keep up the great work in anticipation for their Year 12 coming up soon.